Are you ready to be unemployed? No one ever is, but it happened to us just like that. My husband was retrenched after 32 years, gone in 21 days. No warning, we were planning retirement. Suddenly, we were planning survival. Thank goodness we had started building a side income, an online business, and that decision saved us. Too many are just surviving. I see people giving up, living on pensions that barely cover groceries. But it doesn't have to be that way. We became financially active again, without the boss, without risk, with full control over our future. Comment freedom and I'll send you my free guide, Escape the 9-to-5 Trap. You're not too old and it's not too late. Bye for now.